Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Naida Kimi bin Baharudin. Today, my group would like to present about the emergence of circular economy in the construction industry. My group member is Muhammad Ali bin Ahmad and Ikhwan bin Saifur Azman. For the table of content, we will talk about the first is objective, second is concept and current circular economy in Malaysia, thirdly is benefit, and lastly is best practices. For the objective of the project is firstly identify the benefit implementing the concept of circular economy in the construction industry. And secondly is exploring the best practices circular economy that could be applicable in the Malaysian construction industry. Current circular economy in Malaysia. Aligned with the Sustainable Development Agenda, the circular economy is taking over the conversation and is seen as a suitable solution to reduce plastic waste and promote a more sustainable future. Malaysia is also moving to plastic circularity to close the waste loop and preserve the environment. The definition of circular economy. The term circular economy refers to a relative a new production and consumption model that guarantees sustainable growth over time. For example, with a circular economy, companies and individuals alike can optimize the use of resources, reduce consumption of raw material, and recover waste by recycling or giving it a second life as a new product. A waste-intensive industry construction as the potential to greatly impact circular economy business model. Why keep on searching for new material and resources for a new construction project when most of what you need is already out for grab from another project? This is the question that drives a circular mentality.
My name is Muhammad Adli bin Rahman. Thank you for to Aida Hakimi for presenting about the definition of circular economy. Now, I want to present about the benefit implementing the concept circular economy in the construction industry. The first one is the resource efficiency. The construction industry is known for its significant resource consumption and waste generation. A circular economy aims to promote the efficient use the resource by the minimizing raw material extraction and optimizing material flow. It focus on reducing waste generation, using the material and recycling component, thereby the preserving valuable resource and minimizing environmental impact. Next is the waste reduction. Construction generates a significant amount of the waste, including the demolition debris, packaging material, and the excess construction material. By embracing a circular economy, the industry can reduce waste generation through strategies such as the construction instead the demolition, salvaging and using material, and implementing modular design principle. Third one is the cost saving. Circular economy principles can lead to significant cost saving for construction company. By using recycling material, business can reduce the reliance on the expensive raw material and minimize waste disposal costs. Additionally, adopting the more durable and longer lasting construction practice can reduce the need for the frequent repair and replacement, and also saving both time and money in the long run. Uh, Job creation. Transitioning to a circular economy in construction can stimulate job creation across the various sector. New opportunities emerge in the areas such as material recovery, remanufacturing, and the refurbishment. As the industry shift toward the circular practice, there will be a demand for the skilled worker and carry out the tasks such as the construction, material sorting, and the development of innovative recycling technique. The last one is innovation and collaboration. The circular economy encourage innovation and collaboration among the stakeholders in the construction industry. Also, the finding new ways to design building and infrastructure that too easy to disassemble, reuse or recycle requires creating thinking and collaboration between the architect, engineer, material supply, and contractor. This collaborative approach foster knowledge sharing and the development of a more suitable construction practice. That's all for me.
Me, Information Management, wants to present the best practice. So the first one is building information modeling, which is BIM. Utilize BIM technology to enhance collaboration, reduce material waste, and also optimize construction processes. BIM also enables better planning, coordination, and visualization, minimizing error and improve efficiency throughout the project lifecycle. The other best practice is material reuse and recycling. Implement a robust system for sorting, recovering, and recycling construction waste. Encourage contractors and developers to prioritize the use of recycled material in their project, such as concrete, aggregate, and also reclaimed timber. The conclusion is ability to produce advantage for the environment and the economy. By shifting from a linear to circular model, where resources are kept in use for as long as possible through recycling, reusing, and refurbishing, it's become possible to reduce the extraction of raw material, decrease energy consumption, and minimize waste generation. This can lead significant environment benefits such as reduced greenhouse gas emission, preservation of ecosystem, and conservation of natural resources. The second one, the circular economy may promote employment creation and economic progress. By adopting circular business models, company can identify the opportunity for innovation, product design, and service offerings. This can lead to development of new industry and the emergence of green jobs. Additionally, the circular economy promotes the establishment of local and regional loops, fostering, realizing, and reducing dependence of global supply chains. The last one is the transition to a circular economy requires a systematic and collaborative approach. It involves the participation of various stakeholders, including government, business, consumer, and also civil society. Policy and regulation that support circular practice, such as extended producer responsibility and incentive for recycling, are crucial for driving the transition, and collaboration among different sectors and the sharing of knowledge. The best practice are also essential for scaling up circular initiative. In conclusion, the emergence of the circular economy presents a promising pathway towards a more sustainable, and resilient future. By rethinking our approach to resource use and waste management, we can create a system that is regenerative, environment friendly, and economical viable. Continued effort and collaboration are needed to accelerate the transition to a circular economy and unlock its full potential. Thank you.